Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn some colors. Dark green color, violet color, pink color, red color, blue color, yellow color. A. A for apple. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F. F for fish. G. G for coat. G. G. G for coat. H. H for Ken. H. H for Ken. I. I for ice cream. I. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. J. J for jug. K. K for kangaroo. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lemon. L. L for lemon. M. M for monkey. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. O. O for orange. P. P for peacock. P. P for peacock. Q. Q for queen. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sheep. S. S for sheep. T. T for tiger. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yellow. Y for yellow. Z for zip. Z for zip. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Subscribe.